Walrus, guardians of the sea ice. Uncovering the life and legacy of Arctic giants.
By AI for Kids. Embark on a journey through the icy realms of the Arctic to discover the wonders of the walrus. This book highlights the majestic nature, ecological importance, and cultural significance of these incredible creatures. As climate change reshapes their world, understanding their story becomes vital to preserving this unique species and the rich traditions of the Arctic. Join us in this exploration of the walrus's world, from their powerful tusks to the warm embrace of their herds. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
A day on the ice floes.
Under the crisp Arctic sky, a group of walruses lounge on the ice floes, basking in the pale sunlight. These majestic creatures, weighing over a ton, display their impressive tusks. The ice serves as both a sanctuary and a nursery. The walruses rest here, gathering strength for their next dive into the chilly waters. Each ice floe tells countless stories of walrus life, from resting and socializing to the challenges they face in a changing climate.
Amongst the shimmering Arctic ice, walruses gather, embodying the spirit of unity and resilience. The ice is a part of us, a cradle for our young and a platform for our gatherings.
The tusk's tail.
The legendary tusks of the walrus, which can reach up to a meter long, are not merely tools, they are symbols of strength and survival. Walruses use these tusks for hauling their gigantic bodies out of the water and as weapons during disputes. In their icy realm, the tusks play a vital role, helping to establish dominance and secure a place in the social hierarchy. The tusks also serve as impressive displays, commanding respect and admiration in the animal kingdom.
The tusks tell a story of ancient power and the will to thrive in one of Earth's most unforgiving habitats. Our tusks are our legacy, a testament to our enduring presence.
Diving into the depths.
A dive into the freezing depths of the Arctic is a daily ritual for the walrus. Beneath the surface, they skillfully forage for benthic bivalve mollusks. The sea floor is a bustling banquet of clams and snails, which the walrus unearths with its sensitive whiskers and powerful snout. This underwater ballet showcases the elegance and efficiency of the walrus's hunting methods, which support their robust size and energy demands.
In the silent world beneath the waves, walruses perform a graceful dance as they forage, harmonizing with the ocean's rhythm. The ocean's bounty is vast, each dive a new adventure, each meal a blessing.
The heart of the herd.
Walruses are creatures of community, thriving in their large herds. On both land and ice, they huddle together, not just for warmth, but for the comfort of society. These gatherings are vibrant with social interactions, each distinctive bark or rumble a part of their intricate communication. Within the herd, calves learn by observing adults, inheriting the cultural knowledge essential for survival in this icy world.
In the warmth of companionship, walruses discover strength, wisdom, and the joy of shared journeys. Amidst the herd, we find our place, our family, our legacy.
The circle of life.
A baby walrus, or calf, nestled under the protective gaze of its mother, is a testament to the circle of life in the Arctic. After a lengthy gestation period, walrus calves are born on the ice, quickly learning to navigate the icy terrains. The maternal bond is strong, with ever-alert mothers ensuring the safety and growth of their young. This cradle of ice nurtures new life, ensuring the continuation of walrus generations.
Guarded by their mothers, walrus calves embark on their first steps in a world of ice and wonder. Within the chill of the Arctic, warmth lies in nurturing the next generation.
Guardians of the oceans.
Walruses, as predators, hold a crucial role in their ecosystem by helping control the populations of benthic prey. This balance maintains the health of the Arctic's marine environment. Through their foraging, they also disrupt the ocean floor, promoting nutrient cycling and supporting a diverse range of ocean life. Thus, the walrus stands as a guardian, inadvertently nurturing the waters they roam.
In their silent stewardship, walruses underpin the rhythm of the Arctic's underwater realms. In our quest for sustenance, we give back to our oceans, a ripple of life unseen.
Threats and perseverance.
Life in the Arctic is not without challenges. Climate change threatens the walrus's icy habitat, while human activities pose additional pressures. Yet, walruses, with their resilience, navigate these threats, their presence a testament to adaptation. Conservation efforts aim to safeguard these gentle giants, preserving their place in our planet's rich tapestry and ensuring future generations can witness their story.
In the face of changing tides, walruses embody the fight for survival and resilience against the odds. Amidst challenges, we endure, for our spirit is as vast and enduring as the sea.
Cultural voices of the Arctic.
For indigenous Arctic communities, walruses hold deep cultural significance. They provide sustenance, raw materials, and are woven into folklore and art. This cultural tapestry illustrates respect and coexistence, affirming the profound relationship between humans and walruses. As symbols of strength and resilience, walruses inspire stories passed down through generations, celebrating the rich traditions of Arctic life.
Echoing through the ages, the walrus sings the song of a shared destiny crafted by nature and human hearts. Our legacy is interwoven with tales of those who came before, guiding us forward with wisdom and reverence.